2 homes in one, plus a beautiful pool. Great Shelby County neighborhood. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday morning, the 8th day of May. Summer-like weather is the story for today. We're talking readings in the upper 80s, maybe pushing 90 in spots, and again, maybe some active convection over the weekend. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, coming from the Tennessee River. That's the view coming from Decatur up in Morgan County. No storms around for a change this morning. From Tuscaloosa, that's looking north from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse down toward the intersection of Greensboro Avenue and University Boulevard. And the view from Trussville coming from the Skycam there on Chalkville Mountain Road. Once again, we are very close to the southern edge of the main belt of westerly winds aloft. And you can see a couple of storm blow-ups there along that area to the north of us. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk for extreme North Alabama. The Tennessee Valley and points north, runs all the way really from Dallas-Fort Worth to near Cincinnati. And that's where more active convection is likely, and some of those could dip down in here. We think it's going to be awfully warm today. Dew points up there close to 70, and the air will be very unstable. And if the cap can break, we could see some pretty hefty storms, but we think the most organized storms will stay up north over the Tennessee Valley there. Tomorrow, the risk area drops southward from near Waco, Texas, up to Chattanooga and Rome, Georgia. That includes Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, and points north. And no doubt the storms could pack a pretty good punch tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. And then on Sunday, a slight risk of severe weather for a pretty good chunk of our state. And again, that risk runs from Dallas-Fort Worth over to Columbia, South Carolina. And you see that surface boundary just slowly sagging southward. In terms of the rain potential, the guys at HPC have the heavier amounts north of us. But again, in this kind of pure tropical air, we could easily see some big-time rain events, rain totals here. With those individual stronger storms, this is suggesting rainfall amounts will taper from about 1.5 inches in the Tennessee line down to nothing at Gulf Shores. But don't be shocked if some folks have a lot more than that. Here's the modeling. This is the OZGFS at noon today, or 1 o'clock today. And again, you can see how we are right underneath that southern edge of the westerlies. And at the surface, the most active convection will probably be over the northern part of the state today. But again, it's a very unstable air mass, and we'll have to watch for any storms that drift down in here from the north. And if they do form, they could pack a punch. But south of Birmingham, the chance of rain awfully small. Tomorrow at 1 o'clock, the most organized showers and storms still north of here, but those should be drifting down into this part of the state late tomorrow and tomorrow night. And then Sunday, storms refire, and it's the same thing. The boundary's not moving much, and they'll be around, no doubt about that. The coverage probably will be greater on Sunday. And any of these storms could be strong to severe based on the kind of air mass we have. Monday of next week, the surface boundary begins to drop farther south. We'll still maintain a pretty good chance of showers and storms. And by Tuesday, pretty decent-looking little trough over the eastern U.S. And look at that. We get into dry continental air. And if this is right, that will be a dry day with cooler nights, lower humidity values. And that'll be a nice break from this. And pretty much the same deal on Wednesday of next week. Thursday, moisture begins to return. And at the end of next week on Friday, the 15th, showers and storms are back. We'll peak the end of the cycle May the 23rd. Really not a whole lot of change. The westerlies are a little farther north. We stay in a very soupy air mass, and again, that would mean some risk of scattered showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television if you're local to us. That's ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock tonight. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.